Are you trying to choose between Libre Wolf and Brave? Let's dive into this comparison to help you decide. In this video, we'll look at two popular web browsers, LibreWolf and Brave. Both aim to provide a safe and private browsing experience, but they do it in different ways. LibreWolf is a fork of Firefox. It focuses on privacy and security. This browser comes with many features that block trackers and ads right out of the box. Users appreciate its open source nature, which means anyone can check the code for safety. On the other hand, Brave is built from scratch. It also prioritizes privacy but takes a unique approach. Brave blocks ads and trackers automatically and even offers a reward system. Users can earn tokens by viewing privacy respecting ads. Now, let's look at the key differences. LibriWolf is great for those who want a straightforward, privacy focused experience. Brave, however, adds a layer of rewards for users willing to engage with ads. When it comes to features, both browsers have strong privacy tools. LibreWolf has built-in settings for enhanced tracking protection. Brave, besides blocking ads, has a feature to create a private browsing window with Tor for added anonymity. In terms of pricing, both browsers are free to use. You won't have to pay for either, which is a big plus. So, which one should you choose? If you want a simple, no nonsense browser, LibreWolf is a solid choice. But if you are interested in earning rewards while browsing, Brave might be the better option for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.